So one of the options for the human Pong is to make the ball move faster to make the game more challenging, to change the ball background and add music. The change the ball background and add music is probably the easiest option. For the backdrop, you just go in and edit the background that it has and give it a new one. You could also add an actor for the backdrop, go to the media library and look for something else for the background, or draw it and then copy the code over from here. There's really not much code to it. So for the ball, you would do the same thing. I made a new ball, so I created a new ball actor, and I went and looked for a ball. And then when I put that ball in there, I went to the original ball and I copied and pasted all the code over to get it working. Then adding music, if you go to stage, just add music in a forever loop. The next option is to make the ball move faster, to make it more challenging. So to do that, if you go to the ball moves with velocity. So you need to mess with the velocity that it starts with to get it moving faster. And you can look and see, that's pretty much the only place you would change. It would be in the initial setting for the velocity. The other option is to find a winner. And to find a winner, you would need to look every time you add to the score. What you would want to do is check to see if the player one score is greater than whatever amount you decide, so maybe it's 10, then you would broadcast and I would say player one wins is what I would type in here, player one wins. And then, oh, I see what's wrong with my code right here. Okay, anyway, sorry. Then I want you to duplicate that. So you would click on that little if right here. I just want this little loop right here. You're going to copy that and paste it, and then you'll change it down wherever the score 2 changes, and instead of player 1, you would look for player 2 and change it to player 2 wins. Then you need to create a text actor. So the scores are text actors. You could duplicate one of them and take that. I'll delete this. And I'm just going to call this winner. And I'm going to move it, excuse me. I'm going to set that label to nothing for now. And that one's going to need to get moved, so I'm probably going to put it at a location like up here. So 0, 325. And then what I'm going to do is call this winner, and I'm going to listen for that broadcast. So when I receive, there's going to be 2 different things I could receive. I could receive player 1 wins or player 2 wins. And what I'm going to do is update this label . And I'm going to say player 1 . Now, these headphones always get some weird stuff coming into them. I don't know if you heard that, but it picks up something in our house, and I don't know what it is. Player 1 wins. Otherwise, player 2 wins. So now, when the one or other player reaches that 10 points, then it will display the message that that player wins. So I'm not going to go through 10 scores for it, but that's the other one that you can do.